Prosecutors filed charges against the man accused of shooting a Granite City officer. Officer Tyler Timmons is still recovering in the hospital tonight, 3 days after he was shot. 5 News' Laura Barcheski has been taking a closer look into the timeline of that attack and the suspect's concerning background.
Yeah, Kelly, court records revealed this tragic shooting may have been prevented if one of DJ Marshall's prior charges would have legally qualified for pretrial detention. The Madison County prosecutor had some strong words on the subject today.
Granite City police say DJ Marshall shot one of their officers, 27-year-old Tyler Timmons, twice in the stomach when they were responding to a call of an unwanted person on Johnson Road Friday afternoon. Marshall ran, forcing a 13-hour manhunt. It took a massive grid of local, state, and federal officers and tips from the public to finally close in and make the arrest.
Ultimately, we received a tip from the public identifying the suspect as DJ Marshall and another tip that led us to his location.
With the assistance of an Illinois State Police canine, investigators found Marshall in an abandoned car roughly 3.5 miles away from where the shooting happened.
To anyone who thinks that they're going to come to Granite City to do violence to one of our officers, I have this to say. You will be identified. You will be hunted. You will be located, and you will be brought to justice.
Marshall's facing 4 felony charges, including attempted murder with the intent to kill or injure. Madison County Prosecutor Tom Haynes says if convicted, he's looking at more than 100 years in prison.
And in this case, we aim to put DJ Marshall behind bars for the rest of his life.
Marshall has a long criminal record dating back to 2018. He spent some time in prison in 2021 for burglary, but in 2024 he was back out on the streets and got in trouble again running from the police. Earlier this year, Marshall pleaded guilty in the aggravated fleeing case and was sentenced to probation. In July, he was stopped in Collinsville for traffic and drug violations. He missed his October court dates, which leads us to 2 days before the shooting, when a judge issued a no-bond arrest warrant. Before the Safety Act, which ended cash bail, these charges could have landed Marshall behind bars pre-trial, but because of that measure, they no longer qualified. Haynes says he couldn't discuss this history in the context of this prosecution.
Those are the kinds of things that could lend a difficulty in this prosecution. I'll tell you, there's nothing I will do that will in any way undermine this current prosecution. I don't think my opinion about the Safety Act is well hidden. I didn't like it when it was passed, and I continue to find it troublesome.
Officer Timmons is still in the hospital recovering. The chief says he continues to improve and they're hopeful he'll make a full recovery. He's been with the department for 4 years.